If you're looking for high-quality heating, plumbing or electrical services in the Highlands, then Highland Heating Management Ltd can provide everything you need. Our dedicated team of experienced and qualified engineers are on hand to provide all the help, advice and services that you need. We'll work with you to make sure that we meet your exact requirements for your job, no matter how large or how small. We're based in Inverness and cover a large part of the Highlands and Islands. We pride ourselves on our fast turnaround and can usually attend requests for work to be done within a few days and can often be with you on the same day. Our heating services include boiler and appliance installation and repairs, gas repairs, servicing, testing and certificates, and services for oil heating, radiators, valves, heating controls and cylinders. Our expert plumbing services mean we can diagnose and repair issues throughout the plumbing in your home, and we also provide a 24-hour emergency call-out service for our existing customers. Our team of electricians can carry out all types of domestic electrical work. We undertake electrical test inspections, diagnostics and fault finding on all electrical systems. We offer competitive pricing and all our work is guaranteed for 12 months. Highland Heating Management Ltd. Big enough to cope, small enough to care. Contact us today.